Well, you were just so young when you fell from the tree. Your brothers watched you from above while you tried to spread your wings. And I was waiting there, oh, I was hiding in the leaves. I didn't know when you would fall, I didn't know where it would be. Somehow I knew this was where I needed to be. I couldn't save you, but somehow you saved me when you fell from that tree. I saw you in flight and I thought you planned the dive. Oh, so gracefully you fell to those places where I hide. As soon as I looked up, I saw the fear in your eyes. So I rushed to build a bed from the branches and the vines.